Hi guys, this is my beautiful, elegant robe and hair bonnet. You guys see how beautiful it is when you just feel rich and elegant and you want to go to bed looking fabulous, and you can have your matching bonnet and beautiful, gorgeous, sparkling robe. You guys can do that. So as always, thank you guys for watching. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love the sparkle. That's why I turned the lights off so you guys can see it. Bye-bye. Here go a couple still shots, guys. Like Reverend Ike say, look good, feel good, smell good. I feel rich and elegant. I love it this as a robe, guys. I just love the sparkle. So these two pieces is beautiful and elegant, and I will wear this as a robe. Thank you guys so much, and you guys have an awesome day. Make some beautiful, rich, and elegant pieces. Bye-bye.